Good morning, everyone. We are very pleased to represent KubeEdge community to share the work we have done in graduation journey. My name is Yue Bao from Huawei. I'm the maintainer of KubeEdge community.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Hongbing from DaoCloud.
Before diving into the details, we still want to share the exciting news again. In October last year, CNCF announced that KubeEdge has become the graduation project. Next, Hongbing and I will introduce our work from multiple perspectives, including technical development, community governance, and ecosystem growth. As the industry's first edge computing project, KubeEdge is oriented to edge computing scenarios and designed for edge-cloud collaboration. KubeEdge is built upon the native Kubernetes and covers connection among cloud, edge, and devices. It provides consistent experience of applications, resources, intelligence, data, collaboration between cloud and edge. Since it launched in 2018, we have made many innovations and enhancements in large-scale applications, IoT, AI, and more areas. So far, KubeEdge has gained more than 8,000 stars. We are very grateful for the contributions from over 1,800 contributors worldwide. In today's talk, we want to talk more about KubeEdge and AI. In 2021, we launched Edge AI sub-project Sedna. Sedna is the industry's first edge cloud collaboration AI framework. Many edge devices are not equipped with AI capabilities, and the development of AI is progressing rapidly. However, Edge AI faces many challenges, such as limited edge resources, limited data samples, and high costs to manage models. With Sedna, we provide cross-edge cloud dataset and model management. For example, with joint inference, data is processed at the edge, and for difficult cases, the data is sent to cloud for more accurate inference. Similarly, with incremental learning, inference results are sent to cloud to continuously update models, and new models will be sent back to edge in real time. Furthermore, Sedna supports mainstream AI framework and allows developers to integrate third-party algorithms quickly. Now, I want to take a moment to watch a demo for KubeEdge and Sedna using in robotics scenario. Current robots are not yet capable to decompose complex instructions. With KubeEdge, we use LLM in the cloud to decompose the instructions, and you can see we decompose the instructions, and on the edge we command the robot in real time to complete the tasks based on the instructions and actual environment. Meanwhile, data connected by robots at the edge can be fed back to cloud for model training and learning. So these robots are complete the task the cloud send to the edge. You can see we complete the tasks. Currently, KubeEdge has been widely used in many scenarios, extending cloud native from data center to various sectors, including smart transportation, energy, CDN, and finance. At the previous KubeCon, we have shared many use cases in satellites, intelligent vehicles, and other fields. Welcome to join us and communicate more details. Next part, I will hand it over to Hongbing.
Thanks, Yue. Good morning. So before we move on, let me do a quick survey. So anybody of you are running, managing, or leading open source project, please raise your hand. Okay, good. So next, I will share how we get our project graduated. So our experience will be beneficial to you to grow up your project. First, let's take a look at how CNCF runs its project. CNCF project have a few phases, from landscape, sandbox, incubating, and graduated. For every phase, there is a gap. So this is why TUC or community will review. This picture indicates the project status change in past 10 years in CNCF. You can see the latest data shows CNCF is managing more than 200 projects. Majority of them are sandbox phase. Less than 15% are graduated. These are the details for the graduated projects. It's very limited, very difficult. For KubeEdge, KubeEdge started its journey in 2018. In past 6 years, it passed the sandbox, incubating, and the graduated phase. So here we list a few operational data from different dimensions. I hope to emphasize customer adoption is more than 40% in mass production phase. It's not easy. So maybe you are curious, what's the secret and how we run this project to achieve its graduation phase. So here we summarize a few key items for your reference. They are open governance, engineering verification, customer outreach, collaboration, together with community development. Let's talk one by one. So the first one, I think is the most important one, is open governance with clear structure. If you don't have this clear structure, I don't think a committee will allow you to be graduated. Because with a clear structure, this will allow your project not controlled by individuals or several companies. It should be sustainable, continuous growing. This is our community structure. Beside the development, we also have a technical ecosystem and a user ecosystem. The highest decision group is Technical Steering Committee, TSC, which consists of a group of people from different areas. Under TSC, we have a few SIGs, special interest groups. Every group will cover a special area with a leader, with a direction. We run this community with different meetings. For example, TSC, we have a bi-weekly meeting. For every meeting minutes should be recorded and open, transparent to anybody. So welcome all of you to give some comments, advice. So help us run our community better. So the next one is engineering verification. Because edge computing involves both hardware, software, so we provide a lot of software certification together with hardware compatibility testing. Notably, KubeEdge is our first CNCF project which passed CNCF's first SLSA security test. Security is more and more important. I think if you run your project to be a higher phase, technically it's mature. But how you can encourage your project to be adopted and endorsed by end user is critical. Fortunately, KubeEdge gets a lot of attention and widely used in many industrial sectors. We contributed quite a few Keynote inferential use cases in KubeCon. 2 years ago, cloud-native satellite was a KubeCon Keynote use case. Last year, KubeEdge empowered the worldwide first cloud-native electric car. It's also a keynote speaker. In addition, we hosted many workshops, summits, meetup. Actually, edge computing is more and more popular in many universities. In past years, every year, we host academic summit, which we maintain very close connection with universities, professors. When you get graduated, you get more and more attention, but we will not limit ourselves into CNCF. So extend our collaboration with many organizations. For example, Linux Foundation has a very good program named Linux Foundation Mentorship. In past 5 years, we contributed more than 25 projects in mentorship program, so we maintain good connection with worldwide developers. Also, we work with many other open source projects. For example, last year, we won the Best Open Source Project Award in China. Oops. Okay, last but not least, developer and the community is always very important. So we host and organize many events to keep connections with community. We maintain a friendly developer guide. We maintain regular communication channels to help all our developers with different levels to contribute, to enhance our community. To us, graduation is not the end. It's just one step. So next, we will put more and more efforts to promote our community, promote our project. Hope more and more people will use our project and technologies. I think the vision for CNCF is to make cloud native ubiquitous. Also, KubeEdge, as its first edge computing platform, we are the solid approach to make cloud native ubiquitous. So welcome anybody join us making cloud native ubiquitous. Thank you.